sun is down, blue lights are bright. We leave the city, step into the light, diving into the cool water right now.